Dreaming of stealing Victoria Beckham's wardrobe? Now you practically can, and for less than £40. Yes, you read that right. One of Victoria Beckham's exact designer suits, the same sharp, effortlessly chic style we've seen her wear countless times, is now available to rent for a fraction of its original price. Known for her crisp tailoring, graceful feminine shapes, and those timeless little black dresses that have become her signature, Victoria has built a fashion empire that defines modern sophistication. But here's where it gets exciting. You no longer need a celebrity budget to channel her look. In 2024, Victoria collaborated with high street favorite Mango to launch one of the most talked-about collections of the season. The partnership sold out almost instantly, proving once again that her influence on fashion shows no signs of slowing down. But here's the twist most people miss. A few pieces from that sold-out line are now available to rent through the fashion-sharing platform By Rotation. Among them is her coveted white tailored suit, originally priced at £215, featuring a sleek 180-pound blazer with an asymmetrical fastening and perfectly coordinated trousers with a flared hem and tailored finish. It's the epitome of Beckham-style elegance. The cost? Shockingly affordable. Renting the full suit for 3 days costs just £36 or £12 per day. Want it for longer? A full week is only £45, working out at a mere £6.43 a day. For a designer suit that once turned heads on runways and red carpets, that's a serious fashion coup. And it's not just any suit. The white tailored look is quintessentially Victoria. She's been refining this style since 1998, when she wore an iconic white tuxedo jacket and slim-fit trousers to the Spice World premiere. Since then, she's reinvented it countless times through her own label, proving that true style doesn't fade, it evolves. Fashion rental platform founder Ashita Kabra Davies of By Rotation told H Fashion that renting gives people the freedom to explore new styles without the long-term commitment. You can experiment more when you rent, she explained. It's the best way to try that designer piece you've been eyeing all year without worrying about the price tag. And you're far less likely to bump into someone wearing the same thing. Beyond the thrill of saving money, there's also a sustainability angle. Fewer impulse buys, less waste, and more creativity in how we wear clothes. Renting might just be the smarter, greener way to look fabulous. So, would you rent Victoria Beckham's £215 designer suit for under £40? Or do you think high-end pieces should stay exclusive to those who can buy them outright? Tell us what you think. Is fashion rental the future, or just a passing trend?